donate blood. Okay, program requirement is input format is first input consists of age, second input consists of weight, third input consists of hemoglobin level. First, you can take three inputs: age, weight, and hemoglobin level. Then, what is output format means? If eligible, print he or she can donate blood. If not eligible, print he or she unable to donate blood. Okay, program requirement is to take age, weight, and hemoglobin level. Depends on that. Age is integer, weight is integer, but hemoglobin level is float. After that, we will decide he or she donate blood, eligible to donate blood or not. That is our requirement. Okay. I want to write program using Java. Put Java dot util dot scanner C equals to new scanner of system dot in. After that, what is the requirement? You can take three values. Int age equals to sc dot next int. Int weight equals to sc dot next int. Then float hemoglobin equals to sc dot next float off. Then after that, you can decide donate blood or not. How to decide is donate blood or not means they are providing some requirements. Age must be 18 or above, weight must be 45 or above, hemoglobin must be 5.5 or above. Then you can compare the values. If age greater than or equals to 18 and weight greater than or equals to 45 and okay, should then close in parentheses and hemoglobin greater than or equals to 5.5. Then is eligible. System dot out dot println. Type the message. He or she can donate blood. Else system dot out dot println. He or she unable to donate blood. Okay. Then run and save. Okay, 100% matched. Then you can compare the values as per our requirements. Age must be 18 or above, weight must be 45 or above, hemoglobin must be 5.5 or above.